So this is my Land Rover Series 3, 2.25 diesel. It's been off the road a few months now because of a noise it was making. It's got a 5-bearing engine in it, and it's making a bit of a knocking noise, a little bit of a concerning knocking noise, and I'm thinking it's a timing problem or perhaps a fuel pump problem. It doesn't sound harsh enough to be bearings, but I'm not too sure, so for that reason it did come off the road. We'll start it up now and see what we can hear on it. But no, I'm just making this video for a few, tips on what it could be. So let's go. Give it a few seconds of glow plugs. It's quite warm here in the UK at the moment, so probably 10-15 seconds of glows will do. It's quite a good strong engine apart from this knocking sound. There it is, you can just hear it coming in now. But when I let off the revs it goes. And it does run quite nice, so I'm not too sure what it could be. We know that the timing's definitely out because it's popping a little bit. Bit of smoke coming out the back, but it has been sitting for a while. That also could be the timing's retarded a little bit, which means the engine's running a bit slow. But I'm not sure.